This is where the journey of the F-35 Lightning II begins. Precision starts with infrastructure. Titanium alloy arrives, forming the resilient bones of the world's most advanced fighter jet.
Carbon fiber, lightweight, durable, and stealth-ready churless, flowing into the F-35 supply chain.
Advanced tracking ensures every part is monitored. No room for error in F-35 production.
Automation in motion, AGVs drive efficiency inside the F-35's digital assembly pipeline.
Sorted with micron-level accuracy, every fiber meets the F-35's aerodynamic requirements.
Precision begins here. Raw titanium prepares for shaping into F-35's aerodynamic body.
Only certified materials are allowed here, reserved for F-35 Lightning II manufacturing only.
Clean room procedures guarantee sterility, essential for the F-35's classified components.
Inventory systems coordinate global sourcing, tailored to the F-35's modular design.
The F-35 Lightning II begins to take shape. First, its internal skeleton formed by robotic precision. Every panel must align to perfection. Stealth begins with seamless surface integrity.
Wings are mounted with micron-level tolerances procured, built to maneuver at supersonic speeds.
The internal structure houses power, fuel, and data, the veins of the F-35 Lightning II.
Laser-guided tools ensure exact geometry, a requirement for fifth-generation air dominance.
Technicians inspect every joint, tray. No weld or bolt escapes scrutiny in F-35 production.
Symmetry isn't optional. Both wings must meet within fractions of a millimeter.
The nose section connects avionics, radar, and flight control serial, a critical F-35 integration point.
Internal cabling is routed with aerospace discipline, each path optimized for the F-35's data flow.
Fuel lines are pressure tested and secured rollout, feeding the F-35's jet propulsion core. Stealth skin is not applied to them, it is engineered. Each panel locks in like armor on the F-35 Lightning II.
The cockpit canopy is crystal clear, ballistically reinforced, and sealed for supersonic flight.
From inside the frame, we see the shielding that keeps the F-35 pilot protected and connected.
With fuselage sealed and systems linked, the F-35 Lightning II is now a complete body, ready for core systems.
Landing gear subframes are aligned with laser precision, the foundation for takeoff and return.
The F-135 engine is lowered with surgical care, and this is the heart of the F-35 Lightning II.
Engine mounts are fastened to absorb shock, heat, and thrust, built for long mission endurance. Airflow is everything. Intakes are shaped to maximize stealth and power.
Thrust vectoring gives the F-35 unmatched agility, tested to the micron.
From cold start to combat-ready DeepView, the F-35's engine is born for battlefield flight.
Post-installation diagnostics validate thermal flow and mounting stress paths, critical for air superiority. Vibration sensors track oscillations during spin-up crawl. Even the smallest fluctuation is unacceptable.
Performance profiles must match simulation. The F-35 allows no deviation from spec.
With its engine active, the F-35 becomes more than a frame. It becomes a force.
Inside the digital cockpit, engine stats light up. Pilot and power now speak the same language.
This is the pilot's domain, stripped bare, awaiting its mind and muscle.
Touchscreens in the F-35 react instantly, sleek, silent, battlefield aware.
The HUD locks into place, projecting speed, altitude, and threat in perfect sync.
Stick and throttle are the physical link of space, where pilot intent becomes action. Cables route intelligence to the aircraft's digital nervous system road. The F-35 flies by thought.
The cockpit lights up, a glass interface between human instinct and machine logic.
The helmet doesn't just perfect, it connects, merging pilot eyes with targeting sensors.
Avionics are the brain. Layered boards interpret battlefield data in milliseconds.
F-35 systems simulate before flight. Virtual diagnostics ensure real-world readiness.
From back to nose, every line connects seamlessly. The F-35 sees before it's seen.
Data fusion begins. Targeting, threat, terrain, and comms synchronized at once.
The F-35 looks where the pilot looks. A combat instinct made digital. The helmet feeds a full 360-degree combat view slope. In the F-35, no threat hides.
Alert, target acquired.
Night-ready modes activate. The F-35 is equally lethal under moonlight or sun.
Final checks confirmed, Jirochimo. The cockpit is ready for flight. The pilot is next.
The radar is mounted. The F-35 sees first and strikes first. AESA radar sends 1,000 beams at once. Woods, scanning, locking, vanishing.
Stealth demands silence. Even the weapons doors glide in whispers.
Inside the belly, missiles are hidden until the moment they aren't.
The ejection system is muscle memory. 10. Locked, timed, lethal.
Panels flex under pressure. Sudsving. No cracks allowed under 9G loads. Stealth isn't just shape again, it's chemistry. Every coat counts. Each skin panel is shaped to disappear, wine, bonded, not bolted. The aircraft's muscles extend, testing symmetry, stealth, and strength.
Weapons, wings, and sensors speak as one Preble, a single mind in a stealth body.
Electric pathways are shielded and shaped, powering stealth with precision. Power flows are balanced evenly, from helmet feed to weapon arm.
Final checks across 300 systems. The jet stands silent, ready to roar.
The final paint is more than color worlds. It bends radar, layer by layer.
No bubble, no grain. Stealth isn't allowed to wrinkle.
The canopy seals. This is now a pressurized combat cell.
The F-35's feet extend and retract, tested for every runway on Earth.
Control surfaces sync to virtual skies. This jet responds before the air moves.
Escorted by humans, this machine rolls out to taste air for the first time.
The engine breathes to life. Every system, alive, aligned, alert.
It moves under its own power. Runway meets thunder. Aligned to the line, the sky draws near Tratu. This is not a test, this is launch.
Engines light, the ground disappears. Acceleration as an act of will. Wheels rise into the fuselage 3. Now it's all sky.
Above the clouds, systems test in real air. The jet writes its own signature.
Lock acquired. The pilot looks, the radar locks, the jet responds in milliseconds.
9 Gs in full turn foundry. The F-35 bends physics without breaking form.
Multiple threats, one decision loop. The jet tracks, filters, prioritizes.
Bay doors open mid-flight. Weapons vanish into blue with surgical timing.
Visibility is a choice. Silent or loud, the F-35 decides in real time.
It shows what it can do. Elegance drawn in vapor and velocity.
The ground accepts it. Every system lands in unison.
It rolls to stillness, heat fades, systems quiet, mission logged.
Every bolt, seal, and cable rechecked by the eyes of mastery.
Back to where it began. The circle closes, ready to open again.
Every maneuver, every decision place, now rendered in data.
The flight becomes a map has, from heat to heading, recorded forever.
With a single touch, the mission enters history.
Even as one flies, another rises. Production never sleeps. From bolt to sky, the F-35 is not built, it is born.